Alright folks, Mr. Heiser here. Quick overview on how to create your drawing file. First thing you need to do is open up your template and retitle it just like I've done here to what the assignment title is supposed to be. And the next thing you need to do is fill out your title block, which is this band down here of of titles. And to do that, I'm going to come over to my browser along the left-hand side and click this plus sign, and field text shows up, and I want to right click on that and select edit field text and just simply fill out all of your information on here. Level would be your grade, and the project would be the title of the assignment. Alright, so now we're ready to start putting our components in here, and I'm going to go to my ribbon and select the base tool up here. And the screen shows up, and you want to click on this magnifying glass to find your file, and whatever you titled your part that you made is what you're going to select. I'm going to hit open, and I need to move this screen out of the way here. And you notice it shows up just way too big to fit an orthographic projection on here, so I'm going to scale this down to 1 to 2, which is half size, and I'm going to place this in my drawing file. This will be my front view. I'm going to place this in my lower left hand portion and click, leaving myself room for dimensions and labels. I'm going to move my mouse up to create my top view and click again. Move my mouse over to create my right side view and click again. Move my mouse up again and try to line it up with my top view at the same time to create my ISO view and click again. And I have all these boxes here but no views. That's because you need to finish up by simply right clicking and select create. And now all of your views are in here. So once you've gotten this far, you literally only have 3 more things to do. One of those is to color in your isometric view, and to do that you simply need to right click on the shape and edit the view, and under style click on this blue cylinder that when you hover your mouse over it, it says shaded, and click OK. Pretty cool. And this will be whatever color you chose when you were making it as a part file, so keep that in mind. So now I have 2 more things to do, and I'm going to switch over to my Annotate tab under my ribbon tabs, and I'm going to select text to create 3 text boxes. And when you're creating titles, remember you want them to be all capital letters. That's how technical drawings are labeled. And try to center them the best you can. Alright, so now I'm ready to put in my dimensions and center lines. So I'm going to put this center mark on the face that has the actual circle that is the front of the hole. And then I'm going to use what's called my center line bisector to indicate this is a hole on my top and side view. So I'm going to click on both sides of the hole, and there's my center line that shows up. I'll do the same thing on my side view. There it is. And now I'll switch to dimensions. And when you dimension this, remember the rules of dimensioning I talked about. Start out by dimensioning your width of the shape, your overall height of the shape, and then also your depth. So here I'm doing my width, and I'll do my total height over here. And again, try to spread out the dimensions so that they show up on each view. Don't just have all the dimensions on one view, or sometimes just 2. And now don't forget to do your features. So I need to dimension the radius of the arc, the diameter of my hole, and the things that students forget the most when you're doing a hole is you have to dimension from the center point to a horizontal edge, and then from the center point to a vertical edge as well. And now I'm done. And when you submit this assignment, you simply take a picture and submit that through BB9.